holds the button. Gates open. They're up and racing for the 2012 Philrocom Chairman's Cup. Yes, yes, yes. Moving up by the rail. Eichel together is Golden Empire. Then comes Purple Ribbon. Isa pa. Moving up on the outside. Hagdang Bato together is Patron. As they round at a 3/4 mile pole, two runners parting out for the lead. Eichel, Golden Empire is on the outside. And as they pass the 3/4 mile pole, they're doing 26.5 on their first quarter. This one, Golden Empire in command, then running by the rail is Eichel. Racing now in third, Hagdang Bato. Yes, yes, yes comes next, followed by Purple Ribbon. Patron running second last, and isa pa. As they pass the half-mile pole, they're doing a pass clip of 23. As they rounded the last 600, Golden Empire by about 2 lengths. Running in second is Eichel. Then here comes Hagdang Bato, now about to throw a challenge on the outside as they race at the final 450. Hagdang Bato takes up the running. Running on the outside is entry to a Patron as they do 25 to the final corner. As they come up to the last 200, the horse of Mayor Ben Harabalos, Hagdang Bato, pulling away from the field with 100 to go. One of the aspirants of the upcoming Triple Crown, bagging the 2012 Philrocom Chairman's Cup, Hagdang Bato. Second, Patron, then comes yes, Golden Empire. Number 4, Purple Ribbon, Eichel, and isa pa.